Hi, this is Mike Fabian from Spartan Chemical, and I'm here today to talk to you about custodial management software and to provide you with some information to help you get the most out of your management technology.
Why should custodial management software be a part of any cleaning operation?
In order to effectively manage a cleaning operation, you have to be able to measure performance and track the movement of resources throughout your organization. And an effective software package gives you the tools to do just that. From the inventory that you're consuming, your chemical, paper, can liners, and other consumables, right down to the equipment that you're using to clean the facility, a well-balanced software package helps you to understand what you're spending and where that money is going within the organization. So we've got efficiency gains here by effectively managing the cost of repairs for your equipment, the movement of inventory, staffing levels within buildings, and being able to document and demonstrate back to your customer the quality of service that you're providing, the level of completion for project and infrequent work, as well as the completion ratio on work orders. And if you're a building service contractor, think about being able to demonstrate to potential customers during bid or proposal meetings your ability to perform electronic quality inspections and track the movement of employees and work throughout their facility electronically. It becomes a great marketing advantage.
Mike, what's new with CMMS?
Well, just like the rest of the world, CMMS software is moving towards cloud services, which allow you to access your system from anywhere, and mobility, taking advantage of tablets and smartphones that are such an important part of our lives now. Communication has become key as well. No longer do we need to make phone calls. We simply send text or emails and communicate instantly with supervisors and managers in the field. Another emerging trend in software has been feature consolidation. No longer do we need 5 or 6 different applications to manage our organization. One application that helps with tracking staffing, documenting employee performance, tracking repairs and costs for equipment repairs, as well as tracking inventory and the movement of product through the organization, helps to simplify that process and bring it all into one single, concise location.
What should you think about when selecting a CMMS partner?
Well, you certainly want to consider the feature set. That's the obvious choice. We want to make sure that the application has the tools that you need and that it's flexible enough to adapt into your specific environment and to meet your requirements. Another important consideration is the level of support that your software partner is going to be able to provide. Is the support accessible during the hours that you need it? Is it direct support for you? What is the cost for support, if there is any? Another important consideration is how often is the software updated? You want to make sure that you have an actively developed and managed system that is bringing out new features on a regular basis. This gives you assurance that the program is going to continue to keep pace with the changes in technology that we're seeing currently. You also want to consider the stability of the company that you're partnering with. You don't want to invest a lot of time and effort into implementing a program to find out that the company who provides it is going out of business a year down the road. Many times it makes sense to look to existing vendors such as distributors or manufacturers who can provide software solutions and also have the stability of a core business to make sure that they are operating into the future. How is the system licensed? Is it per facility or is it per user? Make sure that the cost structure is going to be affordable and manageable for you moving forward.
For customers that are interested in implementing a CMMS but are a little bit concerned about the implementation, what advice would you give them?
Well, you absolutely want to consider looking at a cloud-based system. It takes all the responsibility and trouble off of your shoulders for hosting and managing and updating software. It's a simple solution in any type of organizations. I would also suggest finding a system that includes some templates, whether they are predefined criteria for quality assurance or building cleaning tasks. It's a great benefit to be able to start with something that's pre-built and then just modify and add on instead of creating it from scratch. Then finally, you want to make sure that you have access to an effective support team to help you through the implementation process. Hopefully, I've demonstrated to you that the benefits of a well-run and implemented CMMS system far outweigh the challenges that go with putting one into place. Through effectively managing data and documentation, you're going to realize improvements in quality of service efficiency, and performance throughout your organization.